Hi everyone, welcome back to Celltronix. Today we are fixing mobile battery. Here we will replace the cells of old battery with new one. Use 60 watt solder for fast work. Well, we don't have it, so we will use 35 watt standard mobile solder. First remove the strip by unsolder it. Now clean the terminal with solder and paste. Now put paste on new battery terminals. Also on strip and then join it back. Here we are done. We already install and change it on customer's iPhone, so let's see. Seems okay, 100% live. That's all for today. See you in next video very soon. God bless us all, Amin. Freedom for Palestine, Gaza, Amin.